This tutorial guides you through the procedure for finding, downloading and installing the USB drivers for Svantek instruments. All Svantek instruments are equipped with a USB interface which can be used for downloading data into a choice of software, either SvanPC++ or Supervisor, depending upon your application. To start off with, we need to go to the Svantek website to decide which software we want to download. So if I open a browser, this is Internet Explorer for what it's worth, but it can be Chrome or Firefox or whatever you like. And we'll go to the Svantek website, which is svantek.com, where you'll find a lot of very useful information, product data sheets, instruction manuals, application notes, that sort of thing. It's worthwhile just bookmarking this website because it allows you to check into new developments, new instruments and updates as we go along. It's policy of Svantek to update their software and firmware continuously, and in most cases the software for your instrument is entirely free of charge, so it can be freely distributed to your colleagues and so on. But to download the software we need to go to the support part of the website. So if I click on support, and you can either specifically look for support information for your particular product model, or you can just go straight to the download part of the support website, and this is where you can choose to download the software that you need. So all of the software is here: the Supervisor software for health and safety applications, the SvanPC++ software for more advanced applications, for example environmental noise and vibration. There's also an application for Android tablets, and shortly for iPhones and so on, to allow you to operate devices such as the SV100A whole body analyzer. There's also Svan Mobile, which is a remote access application for Android for instruments on the internet with an IP address, or directly, if Bluetooth equipped, we can use this application. Svan Presentation is quite a useful piece of software. If you do any presentations, for example if you're a university lecturer or something like that, you might want to just cast the screen of the instrument that you're using up on your projector so your students can see what's going on. We also use this software for documenting screenshots and also educating our own customers. There is a very old version of SvanPC which is designed specifically for the old Svan 912A that we affectionately call the brick. There's a few of those still out there. They seem to last forever, so we still support them with the latest software. And then if I scroll further down, you'll see that there is a USB drivers package. So this is what we need to download to connect our instrument to our PC so that Windows recognizes it. Now the package contains all of the drivers for all flavors of Windows from XP onwards. We support all flavors of Windows except for the 32-bit version of Windows 8. It's a bit of a rarity, but there are some devices out there running the 32-bit version. But if you're running 64-bit versions of Windows 8 or Windows 10, you shouldn't have any problems. So let's just click the download link, choose to download the file. You can either open it directly, but it makes sense just to save it so that you can use it again or distribute it to your colleagues and things like that. So that is now downloaded, and let's just say let's open that, and it will allow it to do it, just a security warning. And then you'll see we have the driver installation application here. So there are some instructions here just as a text file. It reminds you that you need administrator privileges to install the software, but we know that. So let's just install the 64-bit version for Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. If you are running a different Windows flavour, there are also the driver instructions for Windows 32-bit Windows 7, 32-bit Vista, XP and so on. But we're going to use the 64-bit one as we're running Windows 10 here. So let's just open that and we'll run that application. Let's just follow it through. You just get a security warning here, but let's do that. There's the end user agreement for the driver, so we're going to agree to all that. We can then choose where the software is installed on your PC and then just click on install. So now it tells me connect the USB cable between the computer and the USB port of the instrument and then turn on the instrument. So I'm going to do that now. Let's switch on this 958A, which is connected with USB, and I'm now going to press OK. This has done the driver installation for me. Everything's OK. Press next and close. So it really is as simple as that. So we can close that, we can navigate away from the website, and now the drivers are installed. Now, to just check that everything's okay, it's probably a good idea to go to Device Manager on your PC, assuming you have the privileges. And if everything is installed correctly, you should see a tree down here which is called Svantek devices, and you can see that the USB driver for Svantek devices with USB has been installed correctly. So, not a difficult procedure. If you do have any issues with that installation, by all means contact us at support@svantek.co.uk and we'll try and help. But now you're ready to install either the SvanPC++ software or the supervisor software, depending on application. That will be the subject of a different tutorial.